Every house turns into somebody else's memory. Every photograph fades slow. Every road you swore belonged to you eventually lets you go. That car sitting polished in the driveway, one day rusts into the ground. Funny how the things we kill ourselves for don't stay around. The world keeps nothing, not your money, not your name, not the things you spent your whole life trying to claim. Everything passes through your hands like water through smoke. The world keeps nothing. That's why small things matter most. Still we wake up every morning thinking I need more somehow. More numbers, more status, more weight to carry around, while forgetting we already woke up breathing, legs still moving underneath. Food to eat, air in our lungs, miracles we barely see. The world keeps nothing, one bad night can change it all.